Hey everyone! Today, I'll walk you through how to get started with Labellerr, from signing up, creating a workspace and project, to uploading datasets and adding users to your team. Let's begin by signing in with Google. Once you log in, you'll see the welcome screen. In the side panel, you'll find options like Projects and Datasets. Since this is a new account, nothing is listed here yet. You can go to the Datasets tab to view your own datasets under My Datasets, or explore publicly available datasets to test the tool. You'll also find the API Keys section. You can create one just by clicking the Add New Key button. Back on the home screen, you'll find useful resources like product documentation to guide you step by step, access to upload data programmatically, blogs for updates and best practices, book a demo option, product updates for the latest features. Let's create a project now. But first, we need to upload a dataset. Choose the type of data, I'll pick image, and hit Next. You can upload from multiple sources. I'll use the local upload option and select some files. Once done, give your dataset a name and description, and click on Create Dataset. Now let it finish uploading. Next, you'll define annotation guidelines. Start by adding objects and choosing annotation types for each. Now switch to the Classification tab to add questions. These help the model better understand your data. You can even select a model to assist with these questions. I'll go with Gemini 2.0 Flash. Then click Next. Save this setup as a template if you want to reuse it later. Now you can choose how you want to create the project, using Labellerr AI or human labeling. In this case, I'll select human labeling and click View to open the project dashboard. Let's add a user to this project. Click on Settings, then hover over the side panel and choose Users. You'll see your current user listed. Now click Create User and fill in their details. Assign them a project and define their role, like annotator, reviewer, or super admin. To confirm, I'll open the email invite, click on the project link, and I'm taken right to the project dashboard. Now I'll check the assigned role, and yep, it's super admin, just like we said earlier. That's it. You've now learned how to sign up, create a project, upload a dataset, and invite users. Try it yourself and streamline your data labeling process with Labellerr. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.